It is 9 a.m. Monday, January 24th, and you should really commend yourself for being here and taking some time out of your busy schedule for this week's market update. You deserve a compliment, which is good because today, January 24th, is Compliment Day, and I have a challenge for you. See how many compliments you can give to others during the course of today, and I'd be willing to bet that your day will end up much better because you did. All right. Okay, so the markets have opened up in the red here today, further extending last week's declines. If you would like a better understanding of exactly what is going on in the markets, then please go to our website and watch our full capital markets update and outlook that I hosted last week. You'll learn about the positives in the markets, and there are positives. You'll learn about headwinds, both current and potential, as well as what it all means for the markets, both short-term and long-term. Again, the recording is now available at www.investwithccg.com.
Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update.
Stocks extended their January retreat as worries over inflation and rising bond yields continued to exert downward pressure on prices. The Dow Jones Industrials Average slid 4.58% last week, while the Standard & Poor's 500 sank 5.68%. The NASDAQ Composite Index dropped 7.55% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, slipped 0.61%. After the holiday weekend, stocks found little respite from this month's selling pressures. The week began with the 10-year Treasury yield hitting a 2-year high that triggered a broad retreat in stocks, with technology and other high-growth companies bearing the brunt of the losses. The NASDAQ Composite officially entered correction territory and closed below its 200-day moving average for the first time since April of 2020. Stocks struggled throughout the week, rallying in early trading on both Wednesday and Thursday on solid corporate earnings and stabilizing bond yields, only to end lower on late-day selling. While last year may have been distinguished by buying the dip, this week reflected a different mindset, that is, selling on the rebound. Stocks extended their losses in the final hours of the Friday trading session to conclude a difficult week. Recent market volatility has stemmed predominantly from inflation concerns and how aggressive the Fed will be in fighting it. This reaction reflects the market's pricing of rate hike probabilities and their estimation of the Fed's reaction. Last week's interest rate futures suggested that investors expect 4 or 5 rate hikes this year, up from 3 to 4 the previous week. Markets are pricing a 32% probability of 4 to 5 rate hikes by December and a nearly 28% probability of 5 to 6 rate hikes by year end. Of course, the Fed will act independently of the market, but it provides insight into the recent run-up in yields and continuing pressure on high-growth stock valuations. All right, thank you for staying until the end of this week's update. It's time for this week's riddle. Congratulations to John in Eden Prairie. You were the first person to get last week's riddle correct, so watch your mailbox for a coffee card on us. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then I'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. Sound good? All right, so this week's riddle today is: a woman sailed into the Bahamas with her boat on the 28th of April. She stayed in the Bahamas for 3 weeks and then left in April. How is this possible? Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on YouTube, and I'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. And then lastly, Later on today, I'll be sending out our full economic update and links to our key financial data card for 2022, as well as our 2022 retirement calendar. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe at www.investwithccg.com.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.